Welcome to Midjourney. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 prompts to create any kind of design. Yes, it is a prompt template to create any design of your choice. And this template is editable and it works in any image generating application. With this prompt template, you can create any design of your choice from any image generating application or software. And it is 100% free. And you don't need any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. It is easy and faster. So make sure to pay very close attention to this video. For example, look at this prompt very well. If I copy this prompt too and paste it on Chatgpt, I'll be getting this design. As you can see, this is the prompt 2, this is the design. Do you understand? If I paste it here, I'll be getting this design. Now you need to note that this prompt do not work only on Chatgpt. It works on any image generating software. Do you understand? Both Midjourney or Dell or ImageFX. Now for example, let's test this on ImageFX again. Do you understand? Let's go over to ImageFX and paste this prompt and see what we are going to be getting. Do you understand? Head over to Google, search for ImageFX. Here we are on ImageFX. Change your setting to portrait. I want it to be on portrait. If you want to be on landscape, you can go ahead and change it to landscape and then paste your prompt. Paste the prompt, then hit generate. Now let's wait and see what ImageFX is going to generate for us using this particular prompt, this same prompt. Okay, as you can see, we got the same thing. Do you understand? That is why I call it a template. It is a prompt template. You see, I got the same thing. The same way, if you carry this prompt, head over to Midjourney and you will get exactly the same thing. Do you understand? So that is why I call it a template. Look at that. This is perfect. Do you understand? Perfect. This is what we want and we got it, right? So just go ahead and choose any one. I think I prefer this one. Go ahead and download it. For example, if you copy this prompt, this particular prompt, if you copy it, head over to Chatgpt and paste this prompt, hit OK, you'll be getting exactly this type of design. Do you understand? The same thing will happen if you copy this food professional banner. If you copy it and paste it on any image generating software, you are going to get this design. And if you copy this particular prompt, this prompt 5 on professional flyer design, if you paste it on any image generating application or software, you are going to get this design. Do you understand? Now the big question is that how do you edit this prompt to give you the design that you want? Do you understand? Because all the information on this design is my own information. Now for example, let me say the fee here. As you can see, if you look at the fee, you see 1,000 naira only, right? What if your own is 2,000 naira? Do you understand? Now for you to edit that, you have to edit it using the prompt. Do you understand? You have to locate where the fee is. Now look at the fee. Let's look at the fee here. Search for the fee. You will see where I write it. Okay, look at it. Text fee 1,000 naira only. So all you have to do, let me say for example your own now is 2,000 naira. You have to just come here and then change it. Do you understand? You just have to change it. But I'm not going to change it, right? You just have to change your own too. Let me say you just have to change your own to 2,000 naira. Do you understand? So this is how to edit it. Okay, now let me say you want to write your own, or you want your own picture to be there, or you want this man to be a white man rather than this black man. What if you want to change it? Now let me show you how you can do it. This is what make it a template. Locate the man. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. If you want to change this guy to a white guy or another person, this is where you are going to change it. Come here. Locate man here. As you can see, look at it. Use a smiling, confident black man wearing a glass. Do you understand? So you can just change this man. Come here, edit it to give you what you want. Do you understand? Now I've edited this. In order for me to get what I want, I have to edit this prompt. Every details on this flyer is on this prompt. So all you need to do is to edit it to fit what you want. Do you understand? So any design that you want to create, you just have to come here, come to the prompt and edit the prompt to fit your own want. Do you understand? So that is how you are going to be editing it, and that is why I call it a template, a prompt template for a designer. Wow, this is handsome, guy. As you can see. So now if you want to change the phone number, as you can, if you look very well, it's my phone number that is there. If you paste this particular prompt that I'm going to give you, you are going to be using my phone number. For you to change it, you just have to locate my phone number here, as you can see. Then go ahead and change it, edit it to your own phone number, because if you don't edit it, if you go and create it, it's my phone number that will appear there. Do you understand? Now what if you want to change the color, any of the color? Okay, now look at that circle where that fill is. What if you want to change the color? Do you understand? If you look very well, you see, use a dark purple circle with white and blue text. Do you understand? If you want to change the color, this dark purple, you can change it to white. I can come here and change it to white. I can change it to white or black or anything. Do you understand? I can change it to any color. The same thing with the heading. If you look very well, you see, learn how to run Facebook ads like a pro. If you want to change it, you can go ahead, look for where that statement is, and then change it. And if you want to change the background, maybe you don't like this particular background and you want to change it, you can also indicate it. Locate where the background is and then go ahead and change it. Do you understand? So now what are you waiting for? Let me share you the 5 prompts step by step. So make sure to pay very close attention. Prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4, and then prompt 5. So this is basically the 5 prompts to create any design that you want. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Tell me something nice, like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the video to any graphic design out there that will need this video. Because with this, you can easily create any kind of design, easy, faster, and it is 100% free. You don't need to have any skill in Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or anything again. If I want to create this design on CorelDRAW, it will take me nothing less than 2 hours before I create it. But with this prompt, with this template, within 10 minutes, I'll be able to create it using AI. Thank you so much. I'm Big Jonab, as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.